Check 1, 2, 3. Okay, students. So today we are going to discuss about the chemical energetics. Okay, chemical energetics is a branch of chemistry that deals with the energy in reaction. Okay. Now, let's start with some basic concepts. If you have something that you are working on, okay, let's say a tube of chemicals or a mass of substance, we call it a system. Anything around them, we call them surroundings. Now, in all chemical reactions, either one or two will happen. Sometimes, after the reactions, the reaction is going to give energy. Okay. So here, the heat is produced by the system. Let's say you are having some, you're mixing two chemicals, and that reactions is going to produce energy. Now, if the energy goes to the surroundings, we're going to have the increase of temperature. Okay. Now, this is what we call, okay, these conditions, what we call an exothermic reaction. Exo simply means exit or going out. Therm is heat. So exothermic reactions literally means they are giving out heat. There is a second possibility. It's possible that from the system, they are going to take in heat from the surrounding. Classical example will be when ice melts. In that condition, what happens to the surroundings, we're going to feel that the temperature is going to decrease. Now, reactions such as this, we call them endothermic reaction. Endo means internal or going in, entering. Okay. Thermic means simply heat. So heat going in. In both cases, in or out refer to the system, not to the surrounding. So exothermic means system going out. Okay. System is giving out the energy. Okay. The surroundings accept them, and hence they becoming hotter. Okay. In a system that is endothermic reaction, the heat is entering the system. Because heat is entering the system, what we see from the surrounding is surrounding becoming colder. That is the first part of them. Okay, now, where is all the energy that goes in and out coming from the system? In this case, we're going to introduce a concept of enthalpy. There are many definitions of enthalpy. The simplest we're going to use this is just chemical energy. Okay, so this is energy that you have because of chemical structure. If you are going exothermic, means the energy of the system is decreasing because you spend them out. Okay. The change of anything in physics, in science, we are using the symbol this. We call them delta. Anything you see them here, we call them, read them as change of. Okay. So exothermic, we're going to have the change of enthalpy. Oh, by the way, enthalpy is given the symbol uppercase H. Enthalpy is going to decrease, okay, less than 0. The change is negative, means they are decreasing. Okay. Enthalpy decrease. On the other hand, if you have an endothermic reaction, the enthalpy, the change of enthalpy, what happened to the enthalpy is going to be positive, more than 0. Means the enthalpy is going to decrease. Sorry, enthalpy is going to increase. A good analogy, think of your enthalpy as your bank account. Okay? Exothermic is when the money going out from your bank account. Hence, your bank account is going to decrease. Endothermic is when money is flowing into your bank account. Now, if you are giving money from your bank, your surrounding is getting richer, they're getting hotter. If energy flows into your bank, the surrounding getting poorer, the temperature getting lower. That's it about the concept of our phone. Today is the concept of endothermic reaction, exothermic reaction, and the enthalpy change. Thank you very much.